Do you know how to make a recirculating DWC system? Well, we've got you covered in this video. Recirculating deep water culture, also known as RDWC, imitates the traditional deep water culture by just adding a few modifications. Deep water culture is a type of hydroponic system that ensures your plants have constant access to water, nutrient solution, and oxygen all at once. There are also measures put in place for adequate aeration for optimal plant growth. Setting up your recirculating deep water culture system is pretty easy when you have the right knowledge. This video will go over what you need to know about how to make a recirculating DWC system and many more. So, keep on watching to learn about this. Recirculating deep water culture. Recirculating the DWC system works just like deep water culture. However, there are a couple of things that will be redesigned. Both RDWC and DWC have their plant roots immersed in nutrient solution and oxygen-filled solution. The main advantage and difference to recirculating DWC system are that it's ideal for large-scaling hydroponic farming. Therefore, several plants can be grown together with the recirculating deep water culture system. Recirculating deep water culture system works by tubing several buckets or containers. All these containers are all connected to a central reservoir. Building recirculating deep water culture system is not so difficult even for hydroponics first-time growers, and we will show you how. The major difference between RDWC and DWC is that nutrient solution gets recirculated in recirculating deep water culture. The nutrient solution moves or circulates from one container to the other and finally the reservoir. But in the traditional DWC, the water does not move and it stays in the container. DIY recirculating DWC system. Here, we have outlined the process you can follow when it comes to how to make a recirculating DWC system. So let's begin. Materials required. Let's first take a look at the materials required to build your recirculating DWC system. 5-gallon dark-colored buckets with lids. Net cups of size 3 inches as the drilled hole. Grow medium. Tubing for connecting each bucket. Central reservoir. Air pump and air stone. Inline water pump. Seeds or seedlings. Hydroponics nutrient solution. pH meter and other kits. ppm meter. Recirculating DWC plans, procedure. Follow this procedure to learn how to make a recirculating DWC system. Number 1. Reservoir. Choose your reservoir where you will be storing your hydroponics nutrient. The inline pump should be set inside your reservoir. Also, an air pump and air stone should be in your reservoir. Number 2. Set up your buckets or containers. Determine the number of buckets or containers you will be using for your recirculating DWC system. The buckets should have lids where you will make a cutting for your net pot to fit in. Inside your net pots, fill it with your preferred growing medium, and this is where your plant will be. Also, holes should be cut on each side of your bucket and connect your pipe. This pipe will connect to other buckets and back or down to your reservoir. Each bucket or container must have its air stones. Number 3. Position your plant. You can grow your seeds indoors with net pots that contain a growing medium and transplant them into your RDWC system. You can grow about 2 or 3 plants in each container. Note that your net pot should have a wide mesh at the base so that the plant root can touch the nutrient water container. Number 4. pH balancing. The next thing is to balance the pH. Different plants require different pH ranges to grow adequately. However, the general pH range for plants is around 5.5 to 6.5. So, your recirculating deep water culture system is ready to run. If later on, you decide to add extra containers or buckets, you must also add more nutrient solutions to the reservoir. This is to ensure each plant gets the appropriate amount of nutrients to grow optimally. We also recommend you have 3 plants maximum for each container so your plants can get a sufficient amount of nutrients and oxygen. Having more than 3 plants may increase the risk of nutrient and oxygen competition, which can diminish each plant's survival rate. How does RDWC works? Recirculating DWC systems always have their plant root submerged in water. But majorly plant roots don't always like their roots immersed in water, especially all day, as they can suffocate. But why is it different in the deep water culture system? Well, let's find out. We have 3 major components and keys to the RDWC system, and they are: oxygen. The most essential part of both deep water and recirculating deep water culture system is oxygenation. This is because we have the plant roots always immersed in water. Therefore, you need to provide all means of oxygenation so your plant does not choke. So, the use of air pumps and air stones solves this air circulation problem. Water. We can see that water is a great factor in the structure of the RDWC system. Plants are always being fed oxygen-rich water, thereby taking away the need of watering your plants constantly as you would have in traditional soil. Nutrients. Another great component that makes your RDWC system works perfectly is the hydroponics nutrient supplied to your plants. The nutrient originates or comes from the major reservoir and passes along the pipes to reach each connected container. RDWC and DWC system major difference. So, in the recirculating deep water culture system, the nutrient-filled water is reused and is not drained. However, the traditional deep water culture nutrient solution always remains in the container. Recirculating DWC also allows for large scaling, unlike the traditional deep water culture system. Even though you can simply purchase already made recirculating DWC online, you can as well build yours. Just follow this video procedure on how to build a recirculating DWC system. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.